Morning, children. So we saw the lesson 4, isn't it? So today we move on to the further lesson. Okay. So in force and work and energy, we saw the what are the types of forces, isn't it? So what is meant by muscular force, elastic force, then frictional force, as well as work. Okay. We saw all those. And then today we move on to the simple machine. Okay. So what is meant by simple machine? Simple machine is usually is a tool, okay, to make our work easy. Okay, simple machine is a tool which helps to do our work easy. Is not a simple machine. See the picture. Okay, so the man is pulling the water, okay, by using the pulley. Then here you see here this picture is just using a sledge to move the goods, isn't it? So this is not a simple machine. Simple machine is nothing but to do the work easily. Okay. So what are the here we can see there are 7 different types of simple machine. First one is lever, second one is pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw, as well as wedge. Okay. So these are the 6 types of simple machine. So lever is nothing but, see the picture here. Yeah, lever is a rod of or an arm that turns around a point. So this lever, it is a rod. See the picture, you can see. If you see the picture, you can see. Okay, it is a rod, isn't it? So the point is called fulcrum. So this point is called fulcrum. Fulcrum is the resting or balancing point upon when the lever turns. So it is a balancing point. Okay, so sometimes something to pull or a push. So lever is used to, can we lift the stone easy? It is very hard, isn't it? So by using this lever, we can easily drag this, isn't it? We can easily move it. Okay. So the next one is pulley. So pulley is a machine which helps to lift heavy objects. Okay. You can lift it by using the pulley. Okay. Pulley means if you see the well, they might use the pulley to lift the water, isn't it? So it is a rope. Okay, which helps to lift the heavy objects easily. So wheel as well as axle. If you see the bus stand, railway station, you may see the people, they might drag with a wheel as well as with axle. So to take them, they might drag the heavy load, isn't it? The wheel and axle is a kind of lever that moves an object's distance. The axle is the rod that attached to the wheel. This lets the wheel to run. So the axle, it attached to the wheel, so the wheel can run. So if the wheels of the car, bicycle, and the axle which allow them to move easily. So next one is inclined plane. It is a flat surface that is higher on one end, and you can see that picture. You see the picture, one end is higher and another one is lower. So what they will do means heavy objects to the lower place. When you move objects on the inclined plane, they would use less energy or force. This may thus make the work moving things easily. Okay. So next one is screw. It is also a kind of inclined plane that travels in a circle in a center point. So screw, it might travel in a center point. A screw can rise ways or it can press or fasten objects. Screw can be tightened or hold, isn't it? So it can be hold. Then another one is wedge. Okay. is a kind of inclined plane where the pointed edges are used to do some work. So pointed edge, if you see the picture means you can see the point edge. So to do the work. Okay. So here energy is the ability of capacity to do work. So energy is nothing but ability to do the work is known as energy. We need energy to carry various things. If you want to travel from one place to another, what you have to do, you will carry some things. So we need some activity, energy, isn't it? So activities like running, playing, studying, breathing, and so on, whatever may be. Then what you have to do, if you want to run, you might use the muscular force, isn't it? So apply muscular force so that you can run it. Okay. So if we have energy inside our body, we can run, play, study, everything. So sources of energy, what are the sources of energy means? So things we get energy is not a source of energy. So we get solar energy, isn't it? We get the energy from the solar means Suryan. Okay. So sun is the biggest source of energy. Most of things get energy from sun, either directly or indirectly. So by using the solar panel, they might get the electricity, isn't it? So green plants trap the sun energy and make food, isn't it? So the green plants trap the sun and make a food. Animals and human beings consume plants to get energy. The sun energy is called solar energy. Okay, solar energy is also used in solar cooker, solar heater, electricity generation. So these are the uses of solar energy. Atomic energy. So children, I hope you understand this. Tomorrow we'll see the atomic energy. Thank you, children.